Oh,
Hold it.
Hey.
Hold it.
You're on. You lost the bead.
You're on your rim.
I've got a high lift and I can jack it up by this wheel.
Diane got this to see what's in the flat street.
Yeah, Ben. We definitely lost the bead.
There we go.
Bingo.
There we go. It's going to pop, so keep your fingers up.
You maybe want to let a little bit in and then drop it. And then drop the rest of it.
Stop, baby.
Inside look good?
Yeah. Stop, baby. Outside.
Oh, it's got pop. Everybody close your ears.
Oh, baby. That was so loud. Everybody close.
That's funny.
Sweet. All the way up and all the way down.
Compressor worked.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Everything. On speed improvement.
It's officially trail rated.
What were you running at, 12?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting a little concerned. I'm like right about that. 10,
Sean, I'm sorry you.
Oh,
It's just a bolt.
yeah. I'm a little disappointed that you broke that bolt that I'm going to have to go to Home Depot and get for 99 cents.
Hey, what's the deal here? The only thing we can manage to do is break bolts around here.